How's your pudding?
Yes, good.
It's good.
I'm really hungry.
Yeah.
I want McChicken.
You what?
I want a McChicken.
You want a McChicken?
Yeah.
I don't think that would be the easiest thing to eat right now.
I can't feel anything. I got all these drugs.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Yeah, careful. Don't be. Watch how you're scratching your face.
And my face really hurts.
Well, it's gonna for a while.
Why?
The anesthesia makes it itch.
I don't like it. Do we have food at the house?
Well, I got ice cream and pudding and applesauce.
Yeah.
And then these little shake things.
What kind of shakes?
Some are strawberry and some are vanilla.
Can we buy apple juice?
Oh, you need apple juice?
I haven't got it in a long time. I really like it.
Okay, that's fine.
Ice cream is really good.
What's that?
It's really good.
It's really good.
Yeah, sometimes the jello here gets really weird here.
Does it?
Yeah. Not very. Are they gonna give me anything else to eat?
I don't think so. Probably not.
Okay. Still sleeping.
You're still sleepy? Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah. I just want to eat though.
I don't know. You'll have to wait till she comes in and ask her if you can have anything else.
Yeah. Does it cheat my tonsils?
Yeah, we forgot to ask them. I'm sure they've probably thrown them out by now.
I don't get to look at them.
Huh?
I don't get to look at them.
No, we forgot to ask that before we did surgery.
Oh. It doesn't even hurt.
Oh, well, that's good.
I think it's all the drugs.
No, probably.
I hope it doesn't hurt after I leave.
No, they're gonna send some medicine home with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. My foot itches.
Huh?
My foot itches.
No.
Does my voice sound different?
Not really, no.
Hold on. That's good. Yeah. I wish I could take this IV out.
No, they will after a while.
It's really annoying. Yeah.
Pudding good.
The diet pudding is choky.
Yeah. You like the real thing.
Yeah. I have to bake it all the time. And sometimes people don't make it very good. So they don't get all the lumps out. And there's clumpy lump powders. Powder lumps. Yeah. Yeah.
Oop, careful. Spill your apple juice on you.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the arm pressure cup going off?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it squeezes my arm.
Yeah. Oh, it's taking your blood pressure.
I can't eat my pudding.
pudding will still be there.
Nose itches again. I use my pudding against my nose. My nose itches so bad.
Very good.
These beds are hard to scoot up in.
And the bed's hard to scoot up in.
That wasn't bad at all.
Huh?
It wasn't bad. The surgery?
It wasn't bad?
No, I didn't feel a thing.
That's good.
And I woke up, I went to sleep, and I woke up and it was back in the ear. I didn't even know what happened.
Oh, that's good.
How was the pudding?
Great.
She said she wants a McChicken sandwich.
Oh my God, wait, lady.
Still itchy. Stuck to my chest.
Yeah, they'll be on there.
You could take them off. I'm not using them anyway.
Yeah.
One of them's loose or something because it was